Welcome to the Daily Drink for Friday, February 3rd. Here's the quote of the day. Your language becomes clear and strong not when you can no longer add, but when you can no longer take away. Isaac Babel. He's a great short story writer from the Soviet era. He was killed by the KGB in 1940. Um, Check out some of his stories. He's really good. So let's go to the schedule. This is the end of the second week. Time flies, right? So the reader analysis essay is due today or finally due by Monday at 6 a.m. The view and dues 1.2 and 1.3 are due. We're starting the last view and due, which is 1.4. There is no peer review for this first paper. So the paper is due on Monday, by Monday at 6 a.m. I will be reading your drafts early next week, and you will know that I have read your draft if your title of your paper has my initials at the end, to be underscore WCA. You'll know that I have read your paper and put some comments in it. And then the final draft will be due the following Monday. And then we'll go on to the second paper, which is the reflection imitation. Okay, so back to the notes. As I said, the first draft of the reader analysis is due today or finally due by Monday. My assignments are due this way because I appreciate that some people work late into the night. If this were a C course, assignments would be due in class. We can't do that with an online class. Due dates have to relate to a time of the day. The time my assignments are due is the morning at 6 a.m. after they are set as due in the schedule. The next morning. The next class morning, okay? I will be looking at your first view and dues and giving you points for those over the weekend. So the question of the day is, when will Dr. Archibald read my first paper, the reader analysis? I'll be reading them early next week. Okay? Thank you. Bye.